In this video, we are going to look at bullet points, how to write a good bullet point, and we are also going to put this into practice by doing an exercise. Be ready for that. So a good bullet point should be advantageous to you and your future employer. It should be advantageous to you by highlighting the experience which is relevant to the job that you are applying for. It should be advantageous to your future employer by providing or effectively communicating your experience and what you can bring to the table. As an employer myself, let me share you a secret. I am as nervous as a candidate who is submitting the resume, because whenever we are hiring somebody, we are spending a lot of time in finding the right candidate. We need to train them, we need to pay them, and we want to make sure that we are hiring a right candidate who can go with us, right? So realize that your future employer is as nervous as you, if not more. Okay? First point is it has to be advantageous. Number 2, always use active voice. Say what you did than what you are assigned, right? So that is the active voice, right? Implemented, that means I have implemented. Okay? Exceeded, meaning I have exceeded something. So always use the active voice. Number 3, a good bullet point is brief. Maximum 2 lines, ideally 1 line. Okay? So not more than that, not more than 2. And all the bullet points in your resume should be consistent. Consistent in capitalization and punctuation. When it comes to capitalization, our suggestion is to start with a capital letter, and coming to the punctuation, end with the period. Even though these are not complete sentences, our suggestion is to end with a period, because most of the recruiters in our research like bullet points ending with a period. Okay? So, and as I said, these are not full sentences. So always start with the verb, like the examples that we have seen. Like we have seen these exceeded, implemented, delivered, collaborated. These are starting with that. And use the same voice. If it is your current job, you may use the current tense also. Okay? But use the same tense. The whatever you are using. It has to be consistent. And coming to the exercise, follow the instructions and build your own bullet points. Okay? So we have given you some examples and we have given you some exercises. Follow the instructions and practice them. Take time and practice them so that you are ready to write your bullet points to effectively communicate your experience with your future employers. We are going to meet you in the next video, and please complete the exercise listed here. Thank you.